Excel yung prof na yun. Literature subject, yun ang autobiography ng buhay niya.
Let him be, matanda na eh.
Yun na nga eh, sa tanda ng dinosaur na yun, extinct na dapat siya eh. Hindi ko alam ba't professor pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Mga pala yung thesis. Stress na ako eh. Alam mo, I need a break. Tama-tama, Friday ngayon, inom tayo.
Tara.
Ayoko. Pas ako dun. Kaya pala Jay ang pangalan mo. Kasi KJ ka. Alam mo, mang chicks ka nga lang dun. Ano? Chicks mo mukha mo. Bahala kayo, una na nga ako. Bahala kayo dun. Excuse me miss, pero sa'yo ata ito.
Ah, yeah, thank you.
Mainit, no?
Huh?
Wala. Do you need help with your books? Mukhang ang dami mo kasing dali.
Ah, no, it's okay. Thank you.
Okay. Nga pala. I'm Jay.
Amy.
Amy, I hope you don't find this weird or anything, pero would you like to go out and have some coffee? So, anong section mo nga pala? Ano kasi hindi kita ganong nakikita sa building natin?
Kasi kakabalik ko lang. Nag-interview ako last week.
Ganun ba? Sorry.
No, it's okay. Ba't ka nagsasorry?
Hindi. Kasi ganito yun. Hindi. Ako lang ngayon. Wait. Ano kaya pinag-uusapan natin? Napani ko ba? Hindi, ganito. Wait. Hobbies. So, do you like music? So what kind of music do you like? I mean, songs or favorite singer mo?
Hindi kasi talaga ako picky when it comes to songs. Basta gusto ko yung song. Yun.
So can you give me your favorite song?
You know Broken Bow? Sorry, alam ko sobrang luma na yan. Pero, it's okay.
Mahilig ka pala sa Senti. Pero alam ko yun. Actually, I can play it sa guitar.
Really? You know how to play the guitar?
Oo naman. Ang dali-dali lang nun. Ikaw, kaya mo?
Pero gusto ko matuto.
Pero kung gusto mong matuto, I can teach you. Gusto mo ba? Kung gusto mo lang, pwede kitang turuan.
Sure.
Oo. So, kailan mo gusto? Dali lang siya, actually.
Teka lang, I have to ask something.
Ano yun?
Ano ba talagang section mo? Kasi hindi man lang kita nakikita kahit sa corridors.
Secret.
Bakit secret? Gusto nga kitang pakilala sa friends ko. Uy, sorry.
No, don't worry. May nangyari lang kasi before it. Something that I don't really want to talk about or even remember.
Something you can't let go, no?
Parang ganun na nga.
Sige, ganito na lang. Write it, whatever it is. Trust me. Think of it as letting go. Oh, bakit? Ang corny ba?
Actually, oo. Pero, it's you. Thank you,
promise, tuturuan kitang mag-gitara.
Talaga?
Oo naman. Kaya lang, may kapalit.
Ano yung kapalit?
I'll teach you how to play your favorite song. If one of these days, papayag ka na we go out for dinner. Sige. Sige, you don't have to answer right away. No pressure. Sige, eto na. Here. Leia.
Do we really have to finish this tonight?
Uy, pare! Akala mo kasi kung anong project lang to, thesis na to. Kaya pwede ba, ayusin natin.
Don't pare me, okay?
Uy, pakisama ka naman, sa kape.
Sige lang,
Kailangan
sige.
natin tapusin tong chapter tonight. Sige.
Sino ba yung ka-text mo?
Sige. Wala namang bastusan, pare. Uy.
Wait lang.
Kala kung sino chicks ba yung ka-text mo?
Ano ba? Anong chicks? I met this girl sa school. Her name's Amy. Amy, pare, sobrang ganda niya. Amy? Amy as in Amy?
Oo, Amy. Bakit? Lagi nga kami magkasama eh. Saka parang gusto ka na siya. Ito.
Jay, what are you talking about?
Ha? Oo, si Amy. Bakit? Nasiseras ka, no?
Hindi, pero what do you mean hanging out lately?
Eh di hangout. Lumalabas. Bakit may iba pa bang ganon? Teka, gawin na lang natin yung thesis. Ba't sasayang pa tong gabing to?
Seryoso ba to? O, parang... Pero... Hindi. Hindi na.
The name.
The baby? Hindi.
Hello? Ba't gising ka ba? Ha? Hello? Nadidinig mo ako? Hello, Amy? Nadidinig mo ako? Hello?
Uy, pare!
Ano ang problema mo? Tigilan mo nga ako.
Uy, hindi ka na nakakatawa ah. Napapaliw ka na ba?
Nababaliw? Eh, ikaw ata nababaliw dito eh.
There is no way nakausap mo si Amy.
Ayan o, kausap ko. Amy o. Ano ba problema nyo?
Jay, hindi mo ba naaalala?
Ha? Nung alalahanin ko.
Amy died last year!
Ano bang sinasabi mo?
Pare, Amy died. Last year.
Hindi maganda yan pare, bawiin mo yan. Bawiin mo yan.
Napapaliw ka na ba?
Kayo yung nababaliw. Ano ba pinagsasasabi nyo?
You were driving. You were gonna take her home.
Amy didn't survive.
Hindi totoo yan.
Nabangga kayo ng truck.
Hindi totoo yan. Sabihin nyo, nagbibiro lang kayo. Hindi totoo yan.
Every morning, I wake up, wash my face, and put on a shirt that I know you've always loved. It seems as though I will never be able to get rid of you, doesn't it? But that's alright with me. It used to be alright with me, and there are still traces of you. But now, I think that it's time for me to let go. Over the 365 days have passed by me in a monotonous loop of events. Some days do not even exist to me at all. You wouldn't want me to be living like this though, would you? Often, I dream of you. You'd hold my hand and tell me it was alright to let go. I swear, when I woke up, I could still feel your fingers between mine. The more I hold on to your memory, the more they seem to feel out of place. I continue to tell myself, I'm not alone, you're still next to me. I continue to live like that. But now, it's time for me to let you go. Amy, I'm sorry I couldn't protect you. If I could take it all back, you know I would. Now, I'm moving on because I know it's what you would have wanted.
Excuse me, miss. Sa'yo ata ito.